I started as an IFA in 1973. In the January and in October, there was a terrible crash, stock market crash, 9 months after I started. Absolutely nothing to do with me, pure coincidence. But the market actually fell over the next 15 months by about 73%. It was quite a baptism. The reason the Sagrada Familia was temporarily on the screen was that in October 2002, I spoke about economics in Barcelona in English, or actually Scottish. And the interesting thing about that was it was for the Mail on Sunday International Conference in the Hotel des Arts. And it was interesting too, because at that time everybody had given up on the markets because we were going through yet another stock market crash. I decided to call then in 2002, to call it Economic Tricks, the Ibiza Mix, because I was on holiday in Ibiza at the time. I was flown across, and everybody at that point thought Ibiza was a real crap place to be. The party island, it was even this week described by a senior economist as the party island. I don't know, I don't look like a party animal, do I? I've been going there since 1977. I discovered it 7 years before Jim Mellon. It's the first time ever that I've ever found anything before Jim Mellon. And I had property there from '82. And when I realised that economics is a bit like Ibiza, everybody thinks Ibiza is an absolute crap place to go, which you have to ask yourself why Jim spends 3 months a year there. But it's supposed to be a crap place to go. And how do you get to that conclusion? You get to that conclusion because of the media. They keep telling you that time after time. Now, on this screen here is a photograph of Calabasa. Calabasa is a beach near San Antonio, which is supposed to be crap as well. Some parts of it, to be honest, are. But you could say that anything looks good if it's got sun and sky and sea. I mean, even Scotland, Cowdenbeath looks quite attractive when it's sunny. But anybody can do that. But what you can't do is, if you're looking at this is one of at least 35 agroturismo, wonderful boutique hotels in Ibiza. Ibiza is full of these wonderful places. So it's worthwhile thinking of that.